Hello, Internet friends. This is Tim Schrock bringing you a quick bonus tip today. Angelica had a question about cabinet labels, and I've got three base cabinets, three wall cabinets. I'm going to drop in my cabinet schedule and double check that when I open the schedule dialog, click on the labels panel, I'm going to use call out. She wants it to change to use label. I'm going to click OK. Now for me, the labels are not appearing until I turn on the cabinets labels layer. And now I've got just the labels. If I turn on use callout, interestingly, it has callouts and labels. And if I go to labels and use both callout and label, nothing changed. What I found is that I actually have multiple cabinet schedules. And I'm going to open my project browser and expand the schedules, and notice I've got multiple schedules here. In my template, I have saved a cabinet schedule in a CAD detail. So I'm going to delete this schedule, and notice we just have the labels. And when in my cabinet detail or CAD details, I'm going to shift V, and there's my cabinet schedule. And there is my additional schedule. So I'm guessing that's what's happening with your scenario, Angelica. I'm going to double click on this cabinet schedule and go to labels, and notice I can use callout. Now it's just the callouts. Or I can use both callout and label in this way. I go back to just use label. There's the look that you're looking for. I hope this is helpful. Let me know what you think. Thanks so much.